Hey DIY, is your frying pan so dirty that normal washing just doesn't work anymore? Before you throw it away or buy expensive cleaners, try this simple home method. No store-bought chemicals, just a few common kitchen items and the right steps. Step 1. Prepare the cleaning solution. Start with a medium-sized bowl. Add 200 milliliters of dish detergent. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now pour in 200 milliliters of water. 1 tablespoon toothpaste. Slowly stir the mixture until everything is smooth and well combined. Once mixed, strain the solution into a cup to remove any lumps. Set it aside. You'll use this solution in just a moment. Step 2. Prep the pan. If your frying pan has a removable handle, carefully unscrew it. Removing the handle makes cleaning much easier, especially around the edges where grease builds up the most. Place the pan inside a sink or a large bowl to keep the mess contained and make cleanup easier. Step 3. Loosen stuck-on grease. Sprinkle baking soda directly over the heavily stained areas of the pan. Now slowly pour vinegar over the baking soda. You'll see bubbling right away. This reaction helps break down burnt food, grease, and stubborn residue. Let it sit for about 1 minute so the grime can loosen properly. Step 4. Scrub and clean. Using a stainless steel scrubber or a strong dish scrub, begin scrubbing the pan evenly. Apply firm pressure, especially on the darkest spots. Now pour some of the prepared cleaning solution onto the surface and scrub again. If needed, add a little water and repeat the process. Continue scrubbing until you see the stains fading and the surface starting to shine. Step 5. Rinse and finish. Rinse the pan thoroughly with clean water to remove all remaining residue. Make sure no cleaning solution is left behind. If you removed the handle earlier, reattach it securely. Your frying pan should now look noticeably cleaner and refreshed, almost like new. That pan that once looked impossible to clean is now restored with simple home ingredients. Try this easy method yourself and save both time and money. If this tip helped you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple home cleaning hacks.